Welcome to the top 20 plumber near me Google search results from a random US city. Today we're doing it from sunny San Diego. I'm using a tool that fools Google into thinking I'm in San Diego when I'm really here at my home office in Austin. By the way, if you want to see where your city ranks, just reach out to me. But now, here's San Diego. Good job, San Diego SEO experts. You've got 5 local guys in the top 10, with special mention to the team at Bill Howe locking up the number 1 and number 3 spots. But it's not all celebration, as Black Mountain at number 10 probably thinks they're stealing some new business here, when in reality they have a better chance of getting one of their trucks stolen than getting a click here. Which is a reminder to you all that strategy based strictly on SEO is a likely prison sentence for your marketing.